Hey everybody, this is Stephen Casey Railfan here, and Merry Christmas to everyone out there, to all you rail fans and model railers out there. I had a pretty good Christmas, so apparently I got a couple of new rolling stock and also a new locomotive to the layout that I got for Christmas today, and I'm really excited to show them with you guys. So with that further ado, let's get on with it, and I'll show you guys what I got for Christmas. Alright, so starting off, so what I have here is a brand new locomotive. This is a Atlas Silver Series GP38. Well, no, NS classifies this as a GP38-2 because according to some research I heard that this unit was actually rebuilt from a Conrail GP38. So NS basically just rebuilt it into a GP38-2. So this is a pretty nice locomotive. It's number 5642 in the Training First Responders scheme. It's a very nice scheme. I haven't put the windshield wipers on it yet, but I'll probably do that sometime later. So it's pretty cool. I'll show you guys what it looks like. It's a really nice locomotive. I'll also be doing a review of that this soon, so that will probably come out. That review video will probably come out sometimes, probably a couple days before New Year's Eve. So it's pretty cool. So just to show you guys a little overview of it. And there it is. So that's the new locomotive I have. It's very stunning. So I really like this locomotive because, as you know, because I heard that 5642 has been used on some like local trains on the NS system. So I thought I might get this, and I might even think about building a first responders train as well. So that would definitely be really nice. So without further ado, let's move on to the rolling stock. Alright, so now moving on with the rolling stock. So for the new rolling stock I have this is a brand new rolling stock. This is a Scale Trains Operator Gunderson Multi-Max Autorack. So what I have, my example here is the Union Pacific. It's a pretty nice freight car, because I have did a review on these autoracks before, like probably back in the summer. So it's a pretty nice piece of rolling stock, and it's got the coupler here. I might have to change that out because I'm not a fan of these kind of couplers on the Scale Trains autoracks, especially the operators. So it's a pretty nice. It's got some pretty good detail wise because it's for a cheap freight car, which is like about usually like $50, but you can get it for like $42, like on some online retailers. And stuff. So there it is. I love it. So I'll just zoom in. You see the Union Pacific, the America, all that. It's really nice. So that's one freight car. I also have two more to show you guys. So here's another one. This is a Walters mainline covered hopper. It's the Pullman Standard 4427 CD covered hopper in the Sioux Line paint scheme. Because I thought this would be a really cool freight. I thought this was actually really cool. I got this one because I think I can use this for like the CP trains, for the manifests, or even the oil trains. Because I do know that some of the CP oil trains, they run a couple of those Sioux Line hoppers, which is really outstanding. It's pretty cool, and even I love the blue part here. I think it says like, I can show you guys. Coral Main marks or car, something like that. So this is really cool. Very, very nice freight car. Because actually, these Pullman Standard covered hoppers are actually one of the coolest freight cars that Walters Mainline has ever done. So it's outstanding. And last but not least, I have is an Atlas Treyman covered hopper. This is the, I think it's called, here it is. It says State of Alaska. So this is actually I love this paint scheme a lot, pretty much, because I don't remember if I've ever seen any of these in person, like either like as like as heavily weathered and out patched and stuff. Because I know these hoppers are like, you can find them almost very common around the state of Alaska, because the Alaska Railroad actually has a lot of these hoppers, and this is a very cool car, indeed. So I think this will be perfect to add to the KCS grain trains, because I still need a few more KCS hoppers to complete it, and it looks very stunning. It's a very cool car, and you can see, and it's pretty cheap too. There are some edge walkways and all that, so yeah. So those are all the new rolling stock I got for Christmas, and as well as 5642. So yeah. Okay guys, well that's gonna basically wrap it up for the trains I just got for Christmas. So I hope you guys had a really good Christmas and a happy holidays. And I want to say thank you all for enjoying my videos. This has been a great year, despite the fact that we've been pretty tough, despite with the virus and all that stuff, and us trying to stay safe during this pandemic. But pretty good Christmas so far, and with a lot of good stuff. So yeah, I'll leave you guys with a run by with all these in action, and stay tuned. Review video will be coming sometime, probably in a few days before New Year's. So I look forward to that. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.